South Korea is seeing a sharp rise in coronavirus infections on a daily basis now. 11 fatalities, including the first foreign national in South Korea, have been reported, and the number of confirmed cases in the nation is, like I mentioned in the headlines, closing in on 1,000. For more details, we have our Kim Ji-yeon on the line. Jiyeon, the number of COVID-19 cases continues to ramp up, especially in the virus-stricken southeastern city of Daegu.
That's right, Mark. The number of newly confirmed patients jumped by 144 from the previous day, raising the total number of cases in South Korea to 977 as of Tuesday. The majority of the newly confirmed cases are in the southeastern city of Daegu and the surrounding Gyeongsangbuk-do Province. The total number of confirmed cases there reaching 791. On Tuesday, some 56% of the newly confirmed cases were traced to members of the religious group Shincheonji, and local authorities see the main source of the virus in South Korea as coming from the religious group and those that have been in contact with its members. The Central Disaster Headquarters of the Korea Centers for Disease Control has said it is stepping up efforts to track down the remaining Shincheonji members for a thorough investigation. It has received a list of some 212,000 members. Authorities say they are aiming to complete their probe into all the members on that list within the next 2 weeks, starting with medical examinations of high-risk patients. It plans to conduct an examination via phone with the other members. Meanwhile, 5 more South Korean soldiers were confirmed to have the virus, raising the number of confirmed cases in the South Korean military to 18 as of Tuesday. The newly confirmed include 2 senior-level Air Force personnel and 2 senior-level Army personnel, all of them based in Daegu. 1 Army officer is based in southeastern county of Gyeongsangbuk-do Province. With this, the number of soldiers that are being quarantined in their homes or at separate locations on their bases has risen to some 9,230.
Now, Jiyeon, as I touched upon before, the number of coronavirus-related deaths has also risen here in South Korea, and it now includes a foreign national who was due to get medical treatment here.
That's right. The death toll has reached 11 in Korea. The most recent victim was a 35-year-old Mongolian male who had been hospitalized in Namyangju after being transferred to South Korea earlier this year as he waited for a liver transplant. It's the first case of foreigner dying in South Korea due to the coronavirus. The number of people in South Korea who have been discharged from hospital after making a full recovery remains the same as the previous day at 22. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Chung Se-kyun, in the first meeting he presided over in Daegu on Wednesday, stressed for strong containment measures and stated the government is aiming to stabilize the situation in Daegu within 4 weeks. Back to you.